for Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, well, I had pressure from electrical code panel member to sponsor a product that was featured in Harbor Freight. Nah, just kidding. This one is the Milwaukee Packout organizer. I really like this tool. I actually think it's really awesome that you can just put all your different parts in there. It has all separate trays that you can pull out and move around. Like you can put them on your cart, whatever, and then you can put them back at the end of the day. You can put like 1/4 inch on one side, 3/8 on the other side. They have clear versions, this dark version, whatever. But the thing I really like about it is it snaps right onto your pack out, so you could put it as like your top pack out, or you could snap another one on top of it. This is actually one of my favorite Milwaukee organizers that they have. We have a few out at our job site, and I really like them. Use them a lot, and they work really well. So I recommend this tool, and think